Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to convert PDF to Excel using PDF element. Let's get started. Open the PDF file. Go to Convert menu. Click the Convert PDF to Excel. Select the destination and click Save. Now check the file. My file is converted. Now I will apply another way. Close the file and go to Convert PDF. Click the Home menu, Convert PDF. Select the PDF file and choose the file format Excel. And click Save. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comments and share. Thanks for watching.